Alright YouTube, so this is a microwave oven and it's a pretty old one. It's from Electrolux, and the problem with this thing is that's the main fuse right there, you can see. And this is a fuse, you can see it's blown. So that's the problem with this thing. Every time I select the microwave and I press the start button and the main fuse blows off. So the problem with this thing is this capacitor that stays right here, and as you know, the power supply comes from the transformer. It's like 2000 volt, and that goes to this magnetron through this capacitor, and it also uses a diode. So this thing is shorted out. You can see two pins are there, and this thing, and you can see this is 1 MFD. That's the capacitance, but this thing has a 10 mega ohms of resistance that connected to between these two terminals. So inside this capacitor there is a 10 mega ohms resistance right there inside. So if you use a continuity meter, you can get a 10 mega ohms of resistance. But before you do anything with the microwave oven, after you open it, just remember that this is a capacitor. If this is not bad, then it's going to hold the charges to 2000 volts. So what you need to do is you need to shut this out using a insulated pliers, just like this, and hold it to these two terminals few times. And if this thing is not bad or some other problem, then this method is going to discharge this capacitor, and then it's safe to touch this thing. Or else, if there is a charge inside, and if you touch this any of this terminal by chance, then you're going to get shocked, and that's going to be pretty hard, trust me. So before you do anything with the microwave oven, just remember that you need to discharge the capacitor voltage if there is any. So that's it. And also, when your microwave is not working and everything else is working, like the convection and the other stuff, whatever, when there's a problem with the microwave, let's check this fuse too. This thing is connected between the transformer and the capacitor. So there is a spring type of fuse inside this socket. Just check that out too, if this has blown or not, and then you can check the other parts. Alright, so I've got the new capacitor right here. You can see it's a bit bigger in size, but the values and everything are same. And here you can see the 10 mega ohms of resistance. So let's check this out. The multimeter is set to 200 M, and here the old one, you can see it shows nothing because this is a short one. And now let's check the new one, and here you can see the number is increasing, and here you can see this one is short and this one is not. So this is a good one, and I'm going to connect it to this microwave right here. So let's do that. Alright, so the capacitor is going to sit just like this right there, and this one coming from the transformer through this fuse is going to the top terminal right here, and that one which is going to the magnetron, and see that wire is going to this bottom terminal, and this one too, this diode is going to the bottom terminal, and it will be done. So let's do that. So that's it. Here you can see that's a connection from the transformer through this fuse, and that's the connection to the magnetron right there, and the diode is there. So it's done now. And also I fixed a new fuse right there. So that's it. The work is done, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.